Open House is an amazing opportunity for students who are looking to come to NAIT and looking as post-secondary for an option. And so today we're here in the Center for Applied Technology. We've got tons of booths all around campus where students can come and learn about program options.
NAIT has a ton of great services for prospective students, so Open House is a great example of that. It's an opportunity to talk to faculty, find out if a program's a right fit for you. And there's also the Student Service Center on campus, OOC for a day, just tons of services for students.
I have had my eye on certain programs for a while, and I was looking into medical sonography, so I thought, oh, there was posters everywhere of Open House, so I thought, why not?
Just a couple different programs here at NAIT, Forest Technology and the business program here, so looking forward to checking those out and hopefully coming here next year.
Well, for me, I'm an 88 grad, so NAIT's near and dear to my heart. That's why we're here.
If you're coming to Open House, it's a great opportunity to come and visit the booths that you're interested in, so the programs that you're thinking about going to. We also have opportunities for you to explore the labs and really get some hands-on experience.
I would say do your research, know what you want to do, and then find out if NAIT's a right fit for you, which I'm sure it will be.